Balmy breezes, sandy beaches. Now what if you could take the flavors of summer and apply them to salmon? Rich in protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and when cooked right, it's scrumptious, especially when served with a brassy pineapple salsa beauty in a dish we call Savory Salmon with Tropical Isle Salsa, a primetime recipe that'll have everyone begging for seconds. Featuring crushed pineapple, lime juice, and cilantro, with this salmon dish, you'll always be able to enjoy a taste of the South Seas. Summertime salmon with Tropical Isle Salsa. First, start with 2 chopped Roma tomatoes, which will equal about a cup, and then add 1 cup of canned crushed pineapple, 1 cup of chopped yellow or orange bell peppers for crunch, color, and flavor, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1/3 cup of diced cilantro, 2 medium chopped shallots, or 1/2 cup of red onion if you don't have those. Add 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then finely grated 1/2 teaspoon of lemon zest. Mix everything well. Then cover and chill until you're ready to serve. Now let's cook up some fish. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and then divide 1.5 to 2 pounds of salmon into equal portions. Use a shot or 2 of cooking spray to make sure your fish won't stick to the baking dish, then place your salmon fillets. Sprinkle 8 to 10 dashes of teriyaki sauce over the fish, or about 1/3 of a cup, and then add 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Bake at 375 degrees until your fish flakes easily with a fork, which should take only about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. That fish flakes up nicely. It's done. Now add a side dish, garnish with your tangy homemade salsa, and the summery flavors of the sultry tropics come alive on your plate. And it only took 30 minutes. Savory salmon with Tropical Isle Salsa.